While there are no cure for virus illnesses such as influenza, the common cold, and even COVID-19, there are plenty of home remedies and over-the-counter medication that you can use to help you manage the symptoms associated with these viral illnesses. Today, I am going to be focusing on home remedies that will help you get rid of those cough and nasal congestion. Hello everyone, welcome to Nice Life. If you are new, welcome. Thank you for coming. If you are returning, thank you for coming back. For those of you who don't know me and what I do, my name is Marian. I'm a critical care float pool nurse. In my last video, I talked about during the winter time how we deal with flu, we deal with the common cold, and this year 2020 we have COVID-19. If you haven't seen that video yet, please go and watch it. So in today's video, I'm going to focus on things that we can do to manage those symptoms associated with these viral illnesses. So during the winter time, the air indoor feels super dry, and when you are congested, trying to breathe through a dry air can just be difficult. Adding a humidifier to your home, especially at nighttime, is a great way to help you breathe easier. If you don't have a humidifier and you feel congested, it's okay, just go to the bathroom, turn on some hot water, get a chair, sit in there for about 30 minutes. As you inhale the steam, it just loosens things up in your nose and help you breathe much better. Fun fact, so when people are sick in the hospital and require oxygen, we do add humidifier to the oxygen for those who require a lot more oxygen, and that just kind of helps them breathe a little bit more easier, and it just loosens things up in there as well. Let's get to the fun part of this video. So starting with chicken soup. Chicken soup is a great choice when you are not feeling well. A warm bowl of chicken soup with some vegetables in it just slow down the movement of a type of white blood cells in your body called neutrophil. Neutrophil protect your body from infection, and when they are moving slowly, they tend to concentrate more in the area of the body that needs healing the most. The next thing I want to talk about is garlic. So garlic works against bacteria, it works against virus, it works against all of those bugs that make you sick during the winter time. So when you are not feeling well, adding garlic to your diet help reduce the severity of those symptoms. And studies even shows that garlic can even prevent you from getting these virus illnesses in the first place. So why not add it to your everyday diet? And now moving on to honey. So adding a spoon of honey or two to a warm glass of water with some squeeze of lemon or even lime can ease sore throat pain, and honey is a natural cough suppressant as well, so it gets rid of your cough. So moving on to vitamin C, you have heard me talk about this in my previous video. If you haven't listened to that video, please go and listen to it. Vitamin C is essential during this winter time. It just helps us fight all of these bugs that are floating around during the winter time, and these fruit over here, citrus fruit, are packed in vitamin C. The next one on the list, I had to practice my Ghanaian accent because this one is a big part of the Ghanaian culture. If you have had jollof, you have had this one. If you have had baked fish, you have also eaten this one. If you have had the shinta, you have had this one. And if you're from Liberia, you are familiar with the famous ginger beer. Yes, ginger beer. If you cannot make the ginger beer, that's okay. Maybe in the next video, I will show you how to make it. For this video, we're going to focus on what you can do and how it can help you. So you cut up a few slices of ginger, put some water on the stove, let it boil, drop those gingers in there, and let the water cool off. It helps smooth your cough, it helps smooth your sore throat, and it even resolves nausea. Fun fact, so in addition to traditional medicine, my hospital incorporate aromatherapy. They encourage nurses to incorporate aromatherapy into their practice. And ginger is one of the aromatherapy that we use to help someone who is nauseated, and it does work. If you like my Ghanaian accent, give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you're having fun just learning little tricks and tips to help you stay healthy during this winter time and keep your family safe as well. Now let's get serious. So I wanted to talk about the Pfizer vaccine. I didn't mention it previously, but if you have allergy, you cannot take the Pfizer vaccine because it will never test it in people with allergy. My job sent me some information to read about the vaccine and read about the allergy. I went to the allergy session because I was curious to know which allergy. There's so many things that people can be allergic to. Well, the list was short and it had a lot of chemical names. The few that I recognized was potassium, sodium, and I think those were the ingredients that they used to manufacture the vaccine. So if you have allergies and you're getting this vaccine through your work, please make sure you tell your provider or you tell that person who is about to administer this vaccine to you that you have allergy, because it wasn't tested in people with allergy and it could cause a life-threatening reaction